Hey, I'm not sure if this is interesting for you, but I have to tell you about my stunning weekend trip to Seoul. You know, Korea is so vibrant and balances its tradition and the future challenges seemingly really good. Seoul just offers everything you expect from a big city. I mean, it has a population of 9.7 million. The shopping possibilities are endless. Every shop is screaming for attention and the neon light advertisements have a fascination of itself. However, one mall grabbed my special attention. It is the Coex Mall with the Insta-famous Starfy library. Outside at the east gate you find the Gangnam Style statue. And for K-Pop fans, there's a big fan store. You know, I'm always craving for good food, especially after lots of walking. And Korea has become one of my favorites. You need to try Korean barbecue. And also try all the little food stands on the street, which you find everywhere. If you want to have a special eating experience though, try the themed cafes. And the themes can be quite crazy, believe me. Do not forget sightseeing, of course. By the way, getting around is easy, but Google Maps might not work as expected. I took the subway to Seoul Tower, which gives you a good idea of the size of this huge city. The area around the main royal palace is a must. When you're changing of the guards, for example, but also just walking around in that large area is also really relaxing. Another part of the city you should not miss is Bukon Honok village, which is not far from the royal palace, by the way. Next time I should rent the traditional clothing. Everyone is doing that and it looks like a lot of fun. And the city, of course, has a vibrant nightlife. I need to go again sometime soon. There's so much more I want to discover. Maybe you want to go as well. Well, that's my story. Hope to talk to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.